आज हम बात करेंगे मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में। मैथमेटिक्स के 30 क्वेश्चंस हैं 3 डिफरेंट पेपर्स से। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 1. A linear equation in two variables always represents half. Straight line. 5, 2, 7, 0, 1 minus 2 and minus 1, 0 are the vertices of a trapezium. The point 3, 5 is at maximum distance point x-axis. The probability of getting M in Muhammad is 3 by 8. Next two terms in the sequence 1, A, 27, odd, 64, 125. A rectangle has a perimeter of 50 centimeter and its length is 15 centimeter. What is its breadth? 10 centimeter. A logarithm of unity to any base is 0. The sum of two numbers is 50 and the ratio is 3:2. What is the smaller number? 20. Simplify 18 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 4 multiplied 3. 26. 2 and minus 3 are root of x minus 2, x plus 3. If you have any average score of H in 5 tests and you want to increase your average to Y after taking one more test, what score do you need on that test? 6y minus 5x. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? 1 by 3. How many distinct arrangements can be made from the letters of the word B-O-O-K? B-O-K. 12. How far from a wall is a 10-meter long ladder leaning against a wall, forming an angle 60 with it? 503 meter. What is size of class interval 4 to 7? Is 4. The next number in series 27, 32, 30, 35, 33 is 38. Solve it. 10 minus 40 divided by 6 multiplied 20 plus 4. 0. Which number is self-multiplicative inward? Minus 1. Mass of block A is 2.35 kg less than the mass of block B. The total mass of the two blocks is 4 kg and 50 gram. What is the mass of block B in kilograms? 3.2. Which of the following measures the center tendency? Arithmetic mean. If A and B are disjoint set and then A intersection B is equal to empty set. Sum of deviations of the variable y from its mean is always equal to 0. Average of first 5 prime numbers is 5.6. Simplify 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 2. 72. The sides of triangle are in ratio 3:4:5. If the perimeter is 24 centimeter, what is the length of the longest side? 10 centimeter. What is the average of the numbers 0, 0, 4, 10, 5, 5? 4. Correct answer is 4. The range of probability for each event lies between 0 and 1. If the coordinates of a point are -5, 0, then it lies in at x-axis. If 20% of A is equal to 80% of B, which of the following is equal to A plus B? 1.25 A. Which of the following express area of circle in terms of its circumference? C. By t squared divided by 4 pi.